Thanks to Hy-Vee's private label brands, it's possible to eat better and still pay less. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to make feeding your entire family easier, more affordable, and extra delicious with my That's Smart one-pot Cajun pasta. To begin, melt 2 tablespoons of salted butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 package of andouille chicken sausage, 1 chopped yellow onion, 1 seeded and chopped red bell pepper, and 2 teaspoons or your desired amount of Cajun seasoning. Andouille chicken sausage has less fat, sodium, and calories compared to regular sausage. Cook this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes or until the veggies have softened. After that, stir in 1 can of Hy-Vee's less sodium chicken broth, 1 can of That's Smart diced tomatoes, and 8 ounces of Good Grace's gluten-free elbow macaroni. Good Grace's is another Hy-Vee private label brand that makes it easier to stick to your diet and budget. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil before reducing the heat to low. Let this cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. Next, add 4 ounces of Hy-Vee light cream cheese, stirring and cooking until melted. After that, remove the pot from the heat and ring the dinner bell. Before serving, I'm garnishing my Cajun pasta with chopped green onions on top. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow your favorite Hy-Vee dietitians on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Health.